Hello friend, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name KleverKreator AI review. Product description. Attention, just stop wasting anyone time, energy and huge money on graphics. Daily AI power. In just one click, turn simple text into realistic, attention grabbing, stunning graphics that sell instantly. With no graphics skill, tools or budget. This is demo video.
Market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the KleverKreator AI at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.
Limited time commercial license include. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Ready for massive traffic and commission? Start here. Click here to get your copy now. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sell with KleverKreator AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase. Select from your 30 plus different and unique style and click generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing graphics and display theme. Select, edit, modify with our powerful in-built image editor. Step 3. Download or share directly to your blog, website, social media, anywhere you want and skyrocket our engagement, traffic and sales. See the kind of result our beta users are already getting. Real proof. We make commission like this every day. You can do the same. $200 to $1,000 per day. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.